Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate the on-screen keyboard on HP Pavilion 15. In order to do this, I'm gonna show you the screen, and here we have two options of enabling the on-screen keyboard. So the one is kind of legacy but still works, and then there is also another option which is kind of more modern, and if you're using an external touchscreen then it will be more useful. And in order to enable both of the options you need to be in the settings. Also, the second option is more accessible more available. Once you enable it, it will be shown here, so you can just click on it whenever you need it. But first I'm gonna show you the legacy option. So this is it will be in the accessibility. Scroll down to keyboard and you'll see on-screen keyboard here. Now you have it, and you can resize it or whatever, like that. The big advantage of this keyboard are these buttons right here, and also the options which allow you enabling the numpad, for example. Then click on OK and it'll be here, as you can see. You can click on numlock as well. So it sort of resembles the actual keyboard the most, and you can close it, minimize it, then open it again. But once you close it, you'll need to enable it back on in the settings. So now I'm gonna show you the other option, which is the more modern and adjusted to touch screen method. So go to the settings, then go to personalization and go to taskbar. Now find touch keyboard and set it to always. Now you'll see the touch keyboard button all the time on your taskbar, and now whenever you click on it, it'll open this keyboard. You can also customize it. You can change the theme of it by going to settings, so you can size and theme can be changed. You can also change the keyboard layout to small, so it'll be undocked like that, and you can then move it with this bar around the screen. You can also set it to split, which is not very needed on not touch screen, but if you have an external touch screen connected, then it'll be great because you can type with your thumbs on it. And now I'm gonna show you the last option, which is the traditional keyboard, which isn't as traditional as the keyboard I've shown you earlier, the on-screen keyboard, but it has the arrows, the alt button and the function button, so it's more similar to the actual keyboard, but not as similar as the on-screen keyboard. So these are your options. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.